Why? Why did you do that? Tell me. Come on. Sorry, son. This had to happen.
No. No.
Yes, it did.
Hey guys. Come on. Hey, look that house.
Oh. It's very terroristic.
Oh, it's open.
Come on.
Okay, come on.
This car is
Run.
Come on.
Oh. It's open. Turn up the lights. Turn up the lights. Hey.
Anybody here? Hello?
Hello.
Turn up the lights. Oh, yeah.
Thanks.
Well,
This house is old.
oh my goodness. Is everybody okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my. What is? Oh. Hey.
Okay.
Oh. Come on, guys.
Enter, buddy.
What?
What?
What? What is this?
Who is?
Fuck.
Hey, guys. Look that. It's a bathroom.
Oh,
Oh, it's kind of creepy.
it's very old.
Oh. So, oh, trap.
What is this?
Oh, don't go. Don't go. Oh, what is that?
Good.
Joe?
The goat.
Joe, where are you?
Kitchen.
Come on, in the kitchen.
Oh, the kitchen.
Wow.
Oh,
That's very-
old.
It's big.
It is really old.
Big.
No.
Why are you doing
No,
that?
kill that. No. Hey,
Don't
wait.
do that, man.
Oh, fuck. Oh,
Excuse me?
nothing. Forget.
I go to the bathroom now.
Hey, no. No. You're crazy. Joe.
Stephanie.
Oh,
What is
what?
this?
Oh, God. It's black? Oh, oh, God. What?
Oh,
What?
no.
What?
Oh, yo. Oh.
Okay, look. Go to here. Oh, what? What here? Oh my God! What?
Oh,
Oh God! Oh no!
No.
God! What?
what was that?
Oh God!
What was that?
Yo! Nick, you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. What's
You?
yours?
Oh God! Yo! Oh God!
You
Yo!
man?
No.
What?
You got scared.
What's up? I'm tired, guys.
Me too. Are we sleep here?
Oh no, I don't die there.
I like.
Yeah, I like it. I
No,
will sleep here.
Yes.
no,
Oh, don't worry.
no.
Hey,
Yeah.
just sleep here. Don't worry, okay?
One night.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Go.
Here?
It's very dark. Oh, wow. Guys,
Messed up.
What?
Please turn the light.
Turn off the light. Oh God. Hey boys. You sleep here.
Oh, yes.
And the girls here.
You like it, right? Yes.
Yes. Oh, it's very comfortable. Okay.
Let's sleep.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Good night, Jamie. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Jamie and me.
Good night.
Go to the sleep.
What, guys? Oh my God! What is?
What is?
Oh.
What is this?
Oh my God!
Look.
Oh.
What? What is?
Oh my God! Oh. What?
What's
What
that?
is?
Are you okay, guys?
Jamie.
Okay.
Jamie?
Oh.
No!
It's night. It's 4:14 o'clock. Talk, Amy.
Where's Amy? Where is Amy?
I don't know. That was weird. He's a killer. Who was he? We don't know.
Oh God! What? What?
What is this?
What?
It's Danny.
Well, what?
Oh.
Oh no! Oh my God! I escaped!
Oh, that's great. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I am hungry.
I'm hungry.
Hey, let's go to the kitchen.
I don't think there's food there. You know what? Let's buy something. How many money do you have?
I have $3.
How many money do you have?
I have $0.
That's too little. You know what? Let's go to the kitchen.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's go.
Where's Joe?
Oh look, it's Joe.
Hi.
Hi.
I cook hotcakes. Sit, eat, please.
Okay.
You're a chef?
Yes, I am chef. C-H-E-F, chef.
Oh, I gonna be doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor.
I'm gonna be teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R.
I gonna be actor. A-C-T-O-R.
Where is Amy?
Oh, she went to the bathroom.
No.
What?
Let's go. Wait.
Amy?
Where's Amy?
Amy?
Oh, Dios. Oh. Oh.
Oh, she's dead.
No.
No, Amy, no. No, Amy, no.
Look.
Amy, no.
Oh. Oh, he killed her.
Turn the light, please. Hey, go. Wait.
don't know. He killed her.
Tell me. Please tell me. No, it's game.
She's dead.
No. No. No.
Wait, John.
Wait. Why never Johnny's when they kill someone?
Maybe he's the killer.
Ah! That's John?
Yes, it's John. Let's go.
He's dead. They killed him.
Oh no.
This is the second night. We're the one left. Me and my cousin Ryan. We don't know who's the next. Oh, come on, man.
Yeah, shut up.
Oh my god.
Oh, what is this? Oh no, I am the next. He's coming for me. You know, I'm leaving.
No, man. Where are you going?
I'm leaving.
What are you gonna do? Oh, damn. He got him. Oh, no. Oh.
Kill me.
Oh. Oh, dang.
You.
He's coming for me.
You're the next.
No, I'm not. You're gonna die. Oh, dang! He's ugly. Dang, he's ugly. Dang, he's really ugly. Oh my god, he's ugly. My sister Amy, my cousin Damie, my cousin Ryan, and my friend Joe are all dead. I wonder if I really killed the assassin.
No, I am not dead. Yes, I am. Shh. Go to sleep.